Welcome. And phone is a Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery of the device. So my phone is already turned off, as you can probably see if I press the button right here, but you can just hold the power key and select power off if yours isn't, or it will just automatically turn off whenever you pull out the battery. But to get started, what you want to do is on the right side, when you're looking at a screen, right somewhere here, it's right here, you have a little gap here to put your fingernail in, so you can pry off the cover. So like so. Now if I flip it over, you get the battery. And so what you want to do is you have like a little place here where you can kind of put your finger and pull out the battery like this. And then you have access to SIM card. Memory card comes out without taking the battery. So you could now put in, for instance, like a SIM card in there if you need. And if you want to put the battery back in, just make sure you have it aligned with these pins right here. As you can see them, they're sticking out here. And they're corresponding with the plus and minus right here on the battery itself. And don't worry if you don't see them or whatever, the battery only goes one way. So for instance, if I would try to put it upside down, it won't go in. If I try to put it basically with the pins facing this side on the left, it also won't go in. As you can see, there's no way for me to put the battery in all the way. It only goes in one way, so like so. And now it just slides back in there. And take the cover again, close it all the way around, and power the device back on. So as you can see, the device is turning on. And yeah, that is basically how you remove the battery from the device. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.